Guys, good morning to everyone around the world. So today, because we're going for vacation tomorrow night, so we have a lot of, the white radish roots harvest from our garden, because I harvested all of them because it's growing up and having flowers. So some are not really good to harvest when it's like having flowers already. So before that, everything on the radish having a lot of flowers, I harvested it already. So here you go, the radish. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to ferment, or it's like pickles. I'm gonna make a fermented radish. Of course, radish with ginger. I'm gonna need ginger and garlic. So because before I only do the fermenting garlic for high cholesterol, because I had a little bit high cholesterol before, but now my cholesterol is gone down already, so it's really good. I keep eating this fermenting garlic. So the fermented garlic, you can eat it after 3 days, or the best one is after 7 days. Of course, for fermenting those kind of food, you're gonna need a organic apple cider. So this is all natural apple cider. So I'm gonna use this for fermenting the radish and with ginger and garlic. The radish, you don't have to peel it. I wash it already. Some are having like a dark spot because it's from the soil, and some insects eat it like this one. I'm just gonna remove those black spots. I'm gonna peel the ginger, because the ginger is kind of old as well, but still okay. Just remove the dark part. If the ginger is really fresh, guys, like fresh from the garden, but this one we don't have ginger yet, so this ginger is from the store, so I have to peel it. Same thing with the garlic, you have to peel the garlic. So I'm just gonna use one whole garlic for the one big jar. So I have a big jar, not really big, it's like a medium size. So I'm just gonna peel the garlic. So I think I'm gonna put the garlic here after peeling it. If you have like bell pepper, you can add also your bell pepper. But since I don't have bell pepper, because we're trying to finish everything in the fridge, that's why this one, we're going for vacation for over a week. So this one, that's why I'm fermenting. And it can stock up for a few months when you fermented it. Like the garlic that I show you, the fermented garlic, or they call it pickle garlic. So it's been like 6 months already, because I fermented that from January. So it's still good, guys, after 6 months, the fermented garlic or the pickle garlic. The skin of garlic, the peeled garlic, the peeled one, this thing, I'm gonna boil it because this is rich of antioxidant, and I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna boil it with dandelion flowers. So that's why I'm saving it. I don't waste, guys. As long as it's good for your body, it's better to make a tea, boil it in a medium heat to low heat, and then drink it. So it helps a lot. That's why I don't get sick. like the whole year, last year, I didn't get sick. The flu season, the cold season, it's done, but I didn't get sick because I drink, and I always drink a herbal, and I eat a lot of healthy foods, fruits and veggies, more on that. So you have to cut the ginger. It's gonna be like it's gonna be spicy, guys. I don't have chili pepper because we eat already the jalapeno. So I'm just gonna do like that. If you have a lot of ginger, you can dry also the ginger, and then you can make a ginger powder. But since we don't have ginger, a lot of ginger, so I'm just gonna ferment the rest. This the leftover. And of course you have to cut your, I washed this already, so I'm just gonna remove the dark part. I don't wanna include that. You know, when you plant the organic, a lot of insects gonna eat your fruits, the plants. That's the thing. So the insects, they like organic also, and the animals. So I cut in slices, guys, because you know I want to eat it after 3 days, or when we, not 3 days, so I'm gonna eat it when we come back from vacation, so it's gonna be a week. I couldn't eat a lot of fresh radish because you know the taste. I wash this properly and I brush. See, a lot of insects. That's the thing. When your garden is organic, the insects gonna eat your fruits and vegetables. You have a competition with insects, the animals, because you know organic is really good. If my apple cider not enough for the whole radish, I have to buy it later. So now, guys, it's full, the jar. So just add the apple cider on it. Hopefully this apple cider would be filled in this jar. Wow, exactly. Nice. So I'm just gonna press it down because the, you know, the apple cider has to cover all the radish. So it's really full now. See, guys? And then you have to close the lid. So always use the jar that airtight. So this one, it's gonna stays for few months. Or every time I'm gonna make salad, I'm gonna get some radish from here. So yeah, see guys, it's really good. So after 3 days or after 1 week, when we come back from the cruise ship, I can start eating this. So you just leave it in a room temperature. You don't have to put in the fridge. And now, of course, my drink. See, pink drink. Because this smoothie is papaya, watermelon, papaya, and beets with lime and turmeric and cinnamon. So pure, no water. And it's so good. I add also a collagen because I feel some pain on my joint. I've been drinking the, you know, the turmeric, anti-inflammatory, but still I feel pain. So I remember I don't use the collagen for a long time. I don't drink for the few months already, I think 6 months. So then I remember I still have collagen. So yeah, this is the liquid collagen. So I add on my smoothie. If I forgot, then I'm gonna just add later. So that's how I do it, guys. So you have to be taking care of yourself. Nobody can take care of you aside from yourself. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great day. So that's how you fermented your radish or any vegetables that you want to fermented. Use 100% of apple cider vinegar. I don't like using other vinegar because, you know, it's not pure. There's a lot of chemical on it. So you have to use the organic apple cider, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.